Hello students, today I will study the chapter probability, very important chapter. You will study this chapter in further classes also. So this will be the foundation for upcoming classes. So let's begin. We all are familiar with two words, possibility and chance. And when we hear these two words, we have a feeling of uncertainty. So probability is the branch of mathematics in which we study the measure of uncertainty. So you can define it as probability is the numerical study of chance of occurrence of any event. And second definition is the numerical measure of uncertainty. What is the numerical value of getting or happening certain event, right? So this will give you a numerical value. Like if we rolling a die, so what is the chance of getting even number, right? Similarly, if we toss a coin, then what is the chance of getting head or tail, right? So before we study this chapter, or we study the basic concept of this chapter, we have to be familiar with some terminology or basic terms related to this chapter, right? So let's see what are they. Experiment. So it is an operation or activity which produces well-defined outcomes. So here the phrase well-defined. This is very important to explore. So what is the meaning of well-defined? Now I try to make you understand. When we toss a coin, right? When we toss a coin, so you will get a certain outcomes, head or tail. You will not get 1 or 2 or 3 in tossing a coin. Similarly, if we roll a die, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, not 7, right? Not head or tail. So these two experiments give you the well-defined outcomes. So hopefully you have come to know the meaning of well-defined, right? So come to the next point. Types of experiments. So there are two types of experiments, deterministic experiments and random experiments. So what are deterministic experiments? Deterministic experiments are those experiments which give you a certain result or only one result, one outcome, right? Like if we conduct the experiment to measure the speed of light, then every time, in every trial, you will get the same result because the speed of light will be same, right? Similarly, if we conduct the experiment to verify the laws, the Newton's laws of motion, so Newton's laws of motions are also fixed. So these experiments always give you a certain result, or you can say only one result. So actually in probability, we deals with random experiment. So what are random experiment? The experiments whose results are not certain. I will give you some demonstration like this. This is the experiment of tossing a coin. So this is the random experiment because we don't know which outcome will come before the experiment has been done, right? This is tail, and before that was head. And second experiment, this is also random experiment, right? So this is the experiment of rolling a die, and what will come? This is 6, okay, and this is 4, right? So you can see here we can't predict the outcome before the experiment has been done, right? And you can see the third example, third demonstration. This is the deck of 52 playing cards. So we are drawing one card from this deck of 52 cards, and this is club, king of club, right? And this is jack of diamond, and this is 4 of spade, right? So these are some demonstration videos of random experiment. Now come to the next point, trial. What is trial? So trial, actually performing an experiment is called trial. So you can say this is the verb. This is the performing the experiment. Performing an experiment is called trial. An experiment is the noun, right? Next point, sample space, very important. So sample space is actually, this is the set of all possible outcomes, right? Or you can say group of all possible outcomes. Like if we roll a die, so what are possible outcomes? The possible outcomes will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, right? These are the possible outcomes in rolling a die. So this is the sample space for this experiment. Similarly, if we toss a coin, so what are possible outcomes? So this will be head or tail. This is the sample space of this experiment. Right. Now come to the next point. Events. The outcomes of an experiment are called events. So I want to explore events here. Suppose an experiment of rolling a die, then sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Suppose we consider the event A, getting even prime number. So there will be only one number here. Suppose B is the event of getting multiple of 3. So there will be 2 elements here, 3 or 6, right? Suppose we are assuming the event C, which is prime number only, right? 2, 3, 5, right? So these are the events. These are events. And in tossing a coin, sample space will be head or tail. Suppose we are we want to know the event, number of events in getting head. So there will be only one element head, right? Or getting a tail, you can suppose it as P or Q, getting a tail. So there will be only one element, tail, right? So you can see these are the subsets of this sample space, and these are also subsets of this sample space. So actually you can say events are the subsets of sample space, right? Next, elementary events. Okay, elementary events come here. If there is only one outcome, one element here. So this is called simple elementary sample space. Elementary event. Yes, elementary event. So if there is only one sample point, so this is called elementary event. This is called elementary event. This is called elementary event. And another word is compound events. Compound events, you can say more than one elements. This is the compound events. This is also compound events, right? So next point is equally likely events, right? Events are said to be equally likely if under the given condition we cannot prefer one event to other event. What is the meaning of this? Means if we roll a die, the chance of getting 1 is same as the chance of getting 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. So each element of the sample space having same chance of appearing, right? Similarly, if we toss a coin, so chance of getting head equal to chance of getting tail. So these outcomes of these events, head or tail, are also equally likely events, right?